Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Moonstone marker. First, open the Find the Markers game on Roblox. Once inside, head directly to the mountain biome. You will need to carefully search the mountain's terrain for a small, inconspicuous cave entrance. It is often well hidden, so take your time exploring the various ledges and crevices. This initial step is crucial for beginning your quest. After finding the entrance, step inside the cave. The path is quite winding, so keep moving forward. As you navigate, pay close attention to the cave walls. You might spot some faintly glowing crystals. These can sometimes indicate the correct direction or a nearby secret. The cave can be very dark, so consider increasing your game's brightness settings to improve visibility and avoid missing important details. Deeper within the cave, you will arrive at a special chamber. Here, you will encounter a puzzle designed to reveal the Moonstone marker. To activate it, you typically need to interact with several objects in the environment. For example, you might need to press 3 distinct buttons in a specific sequence or find a hidden lever. Successfully completing this challenge is key to progressing. Once you have successfully solved the puzzle, the Moonstone marker will materialize right before your eyes. It will be glowing brightly, making it easy to spot. Simply walk your character directly over the marker to automatically collect it. Congratulations! You have now successfully found and added the elusive Moonstone marker to your growing collection of markers. Enjoy your new achievement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.